Shenzhen Special Economic Zone, adhered to coast of China South Sea, has gained unique benefits in reform and opening up. With spirit of passion and vitality, Yucera has created miraculous achievement. A thinking of innovation promotes us expand globally and keep pace with the times. An attitude of pursuit perfection makes us focus on details and quality. In promising and exuberant Shenzhen, Guangdong, Shenzhen Yucera Dental Materials Company Limited is growing in the ambient of Shenzhen innovation, continuing the immortal legend of Shenzhen speed. We know that success only comes through hard work as Yucera's progress in the past years. The Great One attains perfection internally more than externally. Acquaint extensive knowledge but also aptitude for management. Practice enriches knowledge, strengthen everlasting advantage. Yucera has the mission of committed to produce high-quality and healthy dental materials and building a world-renowned brand of dental materials. Adhere to the values of integrity and co-creation, mutual responsibility and win-win, the courage of overcoming obstacles and never giving up, and the craftsman spirit of focusing on details and fine-tuning. With thinking of bringing beauty to patients, creating value for customers, and realizing dreams for employees. With sprites of wisdom, sweat, enthusiasm, Yucera rooted in the research and development, production, sales, and service of medical dental materials and dental equipment. Constantly innovation, beyond itself. More than 60% of our R&D team member have senior titles in biomaterials and CNC. Take scientific and technological innovation as the core. Technology-oriented, quality first as business concept. We are committed to being more professional, better quality, safer, and more comfortable oral products to satisfy patients' smile teeth. Every producing process with scrupulous attention. Every detail show originality. Continuous improvement. Continuously improved product quality system. Focus on the research of the light transmittance, hardness, and bending strength of the product. Produced many series of zirconia, such as Basic Zirconium Series, Aesthetic Zirconium Series, 3D Multi-Layer Rubik Zirconia Block. Equipped with CAD/CAM, 3D printer, oral scanner, CNC milling, sintering furnace, burr, dyeing liquid, etc. We offer comprehensive oral solutions. Product sales covers domestic market and export to more than 100 countries, such as Southeast Asia, Middle East, Africa, Europe and the United States, and other countries and regions, etc. Cooperate with domestically and international well-known universities and research institutions. With international advanced production technology and craftsmanship and high-technology equipment. So far, our oral products have certifications of ISO, CFDA, EUCE, etc. Has been highly recognized by technicians and patients in terms of product use and clinical application. Time flies. Yucera step forward with each passing day. Yucera always stick to our mission. In the journey of the times, Yucera never stops. Yucera persists on outstanding performance in the dental materials industry. Gather the strength, continue the brand new dream. Soar up in a vast new world, spread your wings and soar. And Yucera is creating glory's future.